Now today in today's video we are going to learn about another oud oil from Imperial Oud, which is Malinau Bold. It is Borneo. I normally call it Borneo Bold, and let me zoom in and show you the bottle. You can see this is the color of this oud oil. You can see it inside the bottle, and it is one of the Borneo Oud oils I really enjoy applying on my skin. So this is distilled in 2018. It is Malinau Bold Borneo by Imperial Oud. Now the smell. Now how it actually smells. Now this is totally different. This is towards the jungle, totally jungle theme, sweet. Like wet leaves, wet jungle just after the rain, a little bit of dryness, like warmth from them, this oil. So I have, it is really sweet, no burn at all. This is Borneo Oud oil, so they all have something like this. They have jungle, maybe woody kind of vibe, dry wood. Some have dry wood. This one seems to me a wet forest. This is not about jungle theme, so this is into more about forest. So this is a sweet foresty kind of vibe, very different from Hindi oud oils. You can say very top Hindi oud oils have some tint of this one, but this is totally different. A lot of people, they enjoy Borneo and they love Borneo oud oils because they have very little sweetness, a bit of adventurous jungle vibe. So if you are an adventurer, you love to explore in jungles, mostly forests, and you hike a lot into green areas, this is the best oud oil for you. So you would really love it. If your friend is something like that, you can gift them this one. Let me show you the bottle again. So this is, oops, I have to do something like this to make the focus. Okay, so this is the bottle, Borneo Malinau Bold Borneo 2018, and its retail price is $175 for 3 ml. I think this is a bargain. This is a very nice, very sweet, very great quality Borneo oud oil, and if you love jungles, wet jungles, green leaves, big leaves, you are going to enjoy this. This is really like there is rain in the forest, and then after the rain you are moving through the wet forest, and the sun is coming from different leaves inside that, so it has some warmth of the sun along with some wet sweetness. So this is all about this oil. You can check this out on my links below. I am selling it. I think I have like 10 gram maybe available, 10 ml. You can buy 3 ml for 175. You can also buy 1 ml and 2 ml from my Etsy store, and you can also buy it from my Facebook page. So I hope you have enjoyed this Malinau Bold review for this oud oil, and you would really enjoy it if you are an adventurer. So that is all about this Malinau Bold from Imperial Oud, distilled in 2018. So it is 2-year-old oil. So old oil are more sweet. They get more dense and more better after some time. So it is the quality of all oud oils that they get better after some time. So I hope you will subscribe and like this video. See you soon in another video. Till then, I will meet you with another perfume oil, oud oil, or a new perfume. Till then, take care and bye.